Hello, everybody. I'm Jess. I'm an Illustrator lettering artist. Today, I'm going to be designing a jacket and then some patches to go on that jacket. We're gonna be an Illustrator, then we're gonna go to Firefly Boards. I created most of these illustrations on a previous stream, I don't know, like a few months ago. Today, I was like, you know what, like let's put these to good use. And how cute would they be if they were like little embroidered patches? And it's a snacket. It's a snack jacket. I wanna design one more in here with you guys. Those who know I'm obsessed with the star tool. It is probably one of my top 5 favorite tools in Illustrator. I create the star, and now that it's a live tool, I can just add as many points as I want, things like that. And then I can play around with the edges, the points. Let's change this to a green, because I'm doing broccoli. And I'll do a few of these to make the broccoli. I love broccoli.
You have a broccoli tattoo.
I love broccoli so much I tattooed it on my body. I was playing around with all of this last night. This is generated from this. I was like, hey, Firefly, I want to create a pizza in this same exact style. And if you click on it, you could see there's this little CR, content credentials, and that'll show you where this image came from. Let me kind of demo that for you guys. Generate image. Let's do bowl of fruit in the same style as the reference image. And I'm gonna hit generate. Oh my God, it's so cute.
Whole family.
No way.
Aww.
Wait, I'm gonna cry. I love them. This one I feel like could just be patched on normally, no problem. The pretzel has like this empty space in between that might look a little bit weird, so like maybe the pretzel I would put on here in a bit. I'm gonna change the colors on this, so I'm gonna go to edit colors, recolor artwork, and I just like to spin around until it makes sense.
Ooh,
and that's my philosophy on life.
Spin around.
Spin around until we can also do color theme picker, so if I'm like, oh, I like the theme of this badge, but I want it on here, I could just go like that, and then I can switch it around. So here, change the color order and change the saturation.
That's cool.
I'm just gonna do a denim jacket.
Go crazy.
Yeah. Just gonna write denim jacket. I'm gonna generate 3 of them so we have options and we can choose. Oh.
Nice.
Oh, we'll use this one,
the
obviously,
template.
the blank one. I'm gonna do turn into a embroidered patch. Something that I learned yesterday also, you can hit enhance prompt. It gives you like a more detailed one, but I'm gonna hit generate and see how it works. Oh, wait, it's so cute. Like I wanna make these now. I'm gonna remove the background on here. So I'm just gonna do like.
Because I wanna make my own.
How cute.
Yeah.
Something that I kinda wanna try real quick is to grab all of this and then go open in Adobe Express. What I want to do now is I'm just gonna grab all these and place them where
you want to be.
Yeah. And then let's do snack it.
Snack it.
Put this, and we're gonna do this. And I want to make this embroidered. Change the word snack it to pink embroidered thread. Okay, so I took this photo of myself and I'm putting it in a mashup, and it's the photo of me and the photo of the snack it. Like what? That's me wearing the snack it.
That's crazy.